Updating your credit card information on the Suunto app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open the Suunto app. Launch the Suunto app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once in the app, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Settings menu, find and select the option for Payment Information or Billing. This section will allow you to view and edit your credit card details. Step 4. Update credit card details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your credit card information, check for a confirmation message or email. This ensures that your new payment details have been successfully saved. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information in the Suunto app. Keeping your payment details current helps ensure uninterrupted service and access to your favorite features.